So people told me, my friends told me, are you mad? Because doi and mishti doi, why will a Calcutta consumer looking at a FMCG space? Because you can get some non-resident Bengalis in Bombay or Delhi to have your mishti doi, but why would a Calcutta have your mishti doi or a doi? It is available in every 50 to 100 meters in a mishti shop. People are not used to having mishti doi in a FMCG format. They're used to having mishti doi mati bhat. So what is the reason for success? But the fact lies in eating the pudding. And if you see last 1 year, the phenomenal success we have got in those products is mind-boggling, and actually we are running out of capacity now. We have to now increase our capacities. And similar, yesterday I was in Guwahati, and I was in Guwahati market, a similar type of feedback we are getting from other markets. And when I met you last time, when we were launching our Mishti Doi, Aam Doi, I told you that, this is just a beginning. Calcutta and Eastern region is in the top focus of the organization now for the company, and we will launch something big here for the categories which are exclusively, big in Eastern region. Not only Calcutta, even in Guwahati, northeastern part, Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar. So this is the time when we are poised to take the next big leap with new product ideas and new product formats. I'm happy to say, as we are talking, in fact, we are on the air with our Happy Food, Happy People campaign, even including the IPL, which has started now. And before I go to my next slide, I just want to share our present campaign, which is on air now. Can you please? It is there in the Bengali regional channels also, and we are getting some great feedback on this creative which we had launched last year. Okay, a lot of forewords. Now let's come to the brass tacks of why we have invited you here, of launching a new product, which is extremely exciting for us. And so let's talk about the big news. So let me take this opportunity to also call on stage Mr. Randeep Kumar, our Head of Marketing, and let me unveil to you our new product which we are coming to offer. And that's the big news for us, for which we have invited you all. Please come.
Excuse me. Just come down.
Oh, yes.
No, please come. She later. Product नहीं देखो.
उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट